Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to organize tasks with sections in Todoist. Todoist is a powerful task management and productivity tool that helps you organize tasks, projects and daily goals in one place. And one of its most useful features in sections which allow you to group related tasks within a project for better clarity and organization. In this video, I'll show you how to use sections in Todoist to organize a task effectively using a laptop. So first, you need to open any of the browser on your laptop and go to the todoist.com. In the search bar, simply type down your todoist.com and enter it. And make sure to log into your Todoist account and open your Todoist dashboard over here. Once you reach into this Todoist dashboard, from the left hand side, you can see there's an option for the projects. So you want to organize tasks using sections. Section can only be added inside the project. So what you can do is you can either create a new project or you can also select one of the ongoing previous projects. And after that, type down in descriptions, or you can also select this three-dot icon here and select edit task actions. Over here you can also create a new sections, and after you're done you can go back and save to the project. And you can also rename or delete a section by clicking three-dot menu over here, and section make it easy to visually separate tasks and manage your workflow. And that's it. That's how you can organize tasks using section in Todoist. Using section helps you stay focused, reduce clutter and manage projects more efficiently. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to organize tasks with sections in Todoist. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.